Reason I'm flushing that off because I don't want it to hold the chrome up. I want it to go flat, so I'm just going to knock the edge of it off so it's flat with the bumper. That way there, when I put the chrome on, there's no bulge there. You can see what I mean by the weld is bigger than the hole, so you would never pull that, well, it depends on what torque you're going to put on it, but you probably wouldn't pull that out through. Hot. Should have known, but I want to see if it's flush, and it is flush. That's what I want. That's what I was rubbing my hand over it for, because I just want to see if it was flush. And flush means flat with everything else. I'm not trying to take the chromers out of business. I'm just trying to help the guys that want a chrome bumper, if you know what I'm trying to tell you. I'm just trying to help, anybody that wants a chrome bumper. It's possible. It is possible. I'm going to get a glove on. Nope, a rag right there. I just want to I don't want to get no paint on the threads of the bolts, so I'm just going to get my glove back on. I'm just going to grab a glove actually. And I'll put the paint on around them bolts again, but I'm just gonna kind of mask it up with my fingers. How's that? Instead of me wrapping tape around it and getting all crazy, I'm just gonna do this. I just don't want paint on the threads of the bolts. Just wipe that sooty look off, basically. That's all I want. Just don't want paint on the threads, just to make anything harder. That's all it would do. Beautiful. You are, Joey. Beautiful. Can I hang this in the living room? We'll see how it looks then. First. Yeah. See how it looks first, she says. Boys, see how it looks first. So if you have a 30s car or whatever your car and you want a chrome bumper, tell your friends, tell your neighbors, tell your local hot rodder, this is how you do it.